The StartX Remote Starter Kit is a convenient solution for remotely starting your vehicle, making cold mornings more bearable by warming up your car before you even step outside. Installation is a breeze with the included T-harness, which connects easily without the need for any disassembly or wire splicing, saving you time and effort. This remote starter kit is compatible with a wide range of Chevrolet Silverado and GMC Sierra models from 2015 to 2023, accommodating both old and new body styles. Designed specifically for vehicles with automatic transmission and key start, it is versatile enough to work with both diesel and gas engines. A Windows computer is required for pairing the remote starter to your vehicle, but the necessary USB updater tool is conveniently included in the kit. Using your existing remote, you can activate the remote start feature by simply pressing the lock button 3 times, adding an extra layer of convenience to your daily routine.